Welcome, here is another tutorial of Tabschool. Today we focus on creating image pairing. Before you start, it is recommended that you collect your content beforehand. This feature is popular among primary class students. Log into your teacher's account and go to the Content Builder. Click on Create Content. Search or browse image pairing from the Content Builder options. Once it is loaded, you can use the arrow sign to make it full screen. Add a title. You can copy and paste it from various sources. Add a title and task description. Next, click on the first card, upload an image and add the alternative text to the image. Now add the matching image, and add the alternative text to the matching image. Now click on the second card and repeat the same steps. Now click on the Add card to add more cards. You can add as many cards as you wish. Add images and alternative text to every card. Configure the behavioral settings as per your wish. After completing all cards, click on the Proceed to save. Click the arrow sign to exit from the full screen. Add title and description. Select class, section, branch, and subject you want to send this content. Now click on Create and Send. That's it. Let's have a look how it looks like at the student end. Go to the Feed section and check out the image pairing sent. Drag the image and drop it on its matching image. Click on the check button to check the results. You can see the solutions by click on the Show Solution. Thank you for watching the tutorial.